A shocking twist has emerged in the case involving Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan as new revelations raise doubts over the arrest of the prime suspect. Stick around as we dive into the latest developments. Earlier this month, Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was viciously attacked in his Bandra home during a break-in, which left the star injured. Authorities quickly arrested Shariful Islam Shehzad, who is accused of breaking into the actor's residence and stabbing him during an attempted robbery. However, new claims from the father of the accused are raising questions about the identity of the attacker. Rahul Amin, the father of Shariful, spoke exclusively with a news channel, claiming that the police may have arrested the wrong person. According to Amin, the man seen in the CCTV footage from Saif Ali Khan's home doesn't match his son's description. He pointed out that the individual in the footage had unusually long hair, while Shariful is known for keeping his hair cut short, similar to an army-style haircut. Amin also detailed Shariful's background, revealing that his son came to India from Bangladesh due to political unrest and that he worked as a bike rickshaw driver to support the family. Despite these claims, the police have gathered new evidence confirming Shariful's involvement in the attack. Fingerprints collected from Saif Ali Khan's home have matched those of Shariful. These prints were found on a duct pipe the intruder allegedly used to climb to the 11th floor, as well as on the door handle of the actor's son Jay's room and even the bathroom door. In addition, a cap with hair strands, potentially from the intruder, was found in Jay's room and has been sent for DNA analysis to the Forensic Science Laboratory. Authorities also recovered part of the knife used in the attack. One section of the 2.5-inch long weapon was found in a Bandra lake just days ago. Shariful Islam Shehzad, who was arrested in Thane shortly after the incident, is facing serious charges including breaking into Saif Ali Khan's residence and stabbing the actor. He has now been sent to a 5-day police remand, with authorities continuing the investigation. Authorities had initially claimed that the attacker was a Bangladeshi national who entered India illegally, and despite his father's statements, the mounting evidence strongly suggests that Shariful was indeed the one responsible for the brutal assault. Shariful Islam has been sent to police custody till 29 January. Meanwhile, politicians jumped in to shut down the conspiracy theories.
मेरे मन में और मेरी तरह मुंबई के तमाम नागरिकों के मन में कुछ निर्दोष प्रश्न हैं। उन प्रश्नों को मैंने उपस्थित किया है। जब उन पर हमला हुआ तभी बताया गया था डॉक्टरों की तरफ से कि उनके पीठ में 2.5 इंच का चाकू घुस गया था। डॉक्टरों ने यह भी बताया कि 6 घंटे तक ऑपरेशन चला और उसके बाद ऑटो वाले ने बताया कि लहूलुहान अवस्था में ये स्ट्रेचर पर टांग करके पहुंचाए गए थे हॉस्पिटल में। उसके बाद वो इलाज इतना बढ़िया था, या मैं कह सकता हूं कि मेडिकल सेक्टर इतना तरक्की कर गया है कि 4 दिन बाद मैं देखता हूं कि सैफ अली खान साहब एकदम उछलते कूदते अपने घर लौट आते हैं। तो मेरे मन में कुछ सवाल उठा कि क्या सैफ फिजिकली इतने फिट है, उसकी वजह से रिकवर किए इतना फास्ट? वो जिम जाते हैं, इसकी वजह से रिकवर किए फास्ट, या कोई और कारण है? अब बताया जाना चाहिए कि जो हमला था वो कितना घातक था। सचमुच जो हमलावर था, वो जो भी था, उसने आखिर इनके ऊपर किस प्रकार का हमला किया, कितना हमला किया, वो कितनी बुरी तरह से घायल थे या जख्मी थे, इस बात का खुलासा होना चाहिए। और इसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि परिवार को सामने आके बताना चाहिए, क्योंकि पूरे मुंबई में इस घटना के बाद इस प्रकार से वातावरण बनाया गया कि मुंबई की कानून और व्यवस्था खत्म हो चुकी है। गृह मंत्री और गृह मंत्रालय फेल हो चुके हैं, महाराष्ट्र सरकार बर्बाद हो चुकी है। अब मुंबई में हर आदमी असुरक्षित है। इस प्रकार का वातावरण क्रिएट किया गया, जबकि जिस तरीके से सैफ अली खान 4 दिन बाद आते हैं, उससे ऐसा लगता है कि 4 दिन पहले कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था। तो अब इसका खुलासा मेडिकल सेक्टर करेगा, हिलेलावती अस्पताल करेगा और सैफ का परिवार करेगा।
Just because Saif Ali Khan walked in like a lion with a knife near his spine and his 8-year-old son, he has proudly walked out like a tiger. I think instead of being happy for him and the fact that his life got saved, I don't understand what our media and certain people of the political class are doing by questioning the integrity of the police force, one of the most celebrated families and couples of India. Should we feel happy for them for being secure, or should we be disappointed that nothing untoward happened? Let's talk about safety measures in this high-profile case in Bandra. The cops, the commissioner, Dayaji, Devin Bharti ji have been absolutely amazing. It is time to echo that sentiment and not just talk about all conspiracy theories. Everyone who's trying to be Sherlock Holmes in this case and giving their own concoction of their own imagination, give them some privacy right now. It is for them to cooperate with the police, which they are doing, like law-abiding citizens. When they are ready to speak, after they're out of this state of shock, I'm sure they will come out in the public domain. But until then, the political class and certain sections of the media must hold their horses.